So here we have the Vauxhall Zafira automatic on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. In the middle you can see the total miles. They are 11,163. Above that we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information for various bits of trip computer information by using controls on the indicator stalk. And then above that we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we have cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right hand side stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used after such time as you pair up the phone to the car, which is done on the touchscreen in the centre just here. Hit the phone icon and then follow the instructions from there. When it comes to audio, this car has got AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input and Bluetooth audio as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music. We've also got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how this system works, which you can find on our website and also on our YouTube channel as well. Working our way down from that, we have the air conditioning. So you can determine the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in once it enters the car. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns your air conditioning on. It'll also turn it off again as well. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set here. We have a heated driver's seat and a heated passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings each. Below that section we have some storage. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. This button turns off and on the parking sensors, and this one will turn on and off the traction control for the car. As you can see, all of the seats are currently folded down in the rear of the vehicle. It's a 7-seater. This is the maximum amount of boot space you can have. Let me show you what it's like with the seats folded up into position. This is the amount of boot space you'll have with all of the seats folded out into position. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.